We're currently in Sapa, which is about 316 kilometres northwest of Hanoi. It's in the mountainous region of Vietnam, very near the Chinese border, with an elevation of about 1,500 metres. We had a different sort of a tour today. We hired some motorbikes and some drivers to take us through the valleys of Sapa. Obviously, it was very hilly. Some of the roads were atrocious. It was just rough rocks and holes, but other places it was actually quite good. We stopped off at a few houses on the way and have a look. Vietnamese are very generous. They don't seem to worry about you looking around for their house. We saw one lady doing some spinning of some hemp thread, getting it ready to weave.
So today we will see how the people make the clothes, like from the secret from the Hmong people. So at the beginning, they have to collect the secret, like it, make the wire, and then have to tie it together. And that you see the machine here. And then they have to use the machine and do like this. And you have to put one like this, and other one like this, one like this.
We saw nature being harnessed in helping to pound the rice.
This is from nature power from the water. That is they came from yellow rice to the white rice. So when water fill up all the tank over there, so they will going up, and then when water going down, and then will going down. So they make separate between the rice and the hub, rice cells. So yeah, and actually like this, so people can save the time. They don't need to do by themselves, and that is from the nature power. And then like they put like this, and in evening when they go back, they can have rice to cook things.
What was really good was that we were invited to one of the drivers' houses for lunch.
Okay, so this is the way we go to the market right now, and we will buy some food and go to the Hmong people house, and we cook together and over there, and we have lunch together with the Hmong people, please.
So we went to the supermarket, bought all the vegetables, some pork, and we went up to the house, and all the drivers put in together in this dark little kitchen and prepared and cooked the food. And we all sat around the table afterwards enjoying it. It was excellent. We had fried pork and tomato, fried tofu, cabbage with garlic, and some steamed rice. Can't get any healthier than that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to make a comment, give me a like, and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.